I mean, is there anyone that doesn't like a whiskey sour? And if you do, you're wrong. Anyway, if you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. Created way back in the 1800s, this cocktail has stood the test of time. For a good reason, it's fucking delicious. The whiskey sour we're going to be making today is technically called a Boston sour because we're adding egg white to it, because it gives it that frothy head. But if you make it without the egg white, it's just called a whiskey sour. So, grab your shaker tin. We're going good old Elijah Craig today. Ooh, we might even finish this bottle. 2 ounces. Oh, just. Love when you empty a bottle. And then we're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. A couple of dashes of Angostura bitters and orange bitters. Steve's recipe doesn't call for orange bitters, but I quite like a little bit of orange bitters in mine. Bear with me here. I assure you there is Angostura bitters in here. I just forgot to press record on that a little bit. And we've got 1/2 ounce of egg white, which I did crack in here, but I'm gonna save myself the embarrassment of showing you that on camera. Did shell go everywhere? Yes. And we're gonna dry shake this, which is basically shaking without ice, for about 10 seconds. Because you want to get that good froth. Then add ice to your shaker. Probably tell by now, I'm Irish, so anything with whiskey in it, I'm all in. Like and subscribe. Please. And thank you. Little straggler. There always is. Strain over it. And once your drink is settled nicely with its frothy head, you're going to garnish this with maraschino cherry and some lemon. Or orange, if you've got it. Perfect. Whiskey sour. Friggin' delicious, one of my favorite drinks of all time. Whiskey sour, ladies and gentlemen. Whiskey forward, lemony, sugar. Give it a go. See you on the next one.